Hey guys, sorry I haven't been on in quite a while. It's been a rough week and a half, and as you can see right here in the picture, that's why. Um, my cat just recently passed. It was Tuesday last week, and we just got her ashes back last night just before we went to work. There's my cat, and there's my dog. They're both on my mantle now. They both lived good long lives. My dog passed at 15. My cat, she lived to 18 years old. A lot of people said cats don't usually make it that long, but she did. Okay, this is the first time I've tried to do basically like carpenter handyman work. This is my bathroom floor right now. Hate it, can't stand it. This was the tile that was down when we first moved in. I bought some new tile. It's this stuff here. It's white and gray. I'm gonna try to put it down on my floor in the bathroom just to improve it a little bit anyway, try to update it. There's a lot in here that has to be changed. I want to get that sink changed and that ugly green counter. Oh my god, that's ugly. And I bought this here for doing like the edges of the walls. I'm gonna try it. I've never done handyman or carpenter work before. I told my hubby, I said, if I need help, I'll get him to help me because he knows how to do that. It's half done. Not bad for somebody who's new to doing this, who's never ever done any kind of carpentry or anything before. I'm getting there. I ended up getting some more done. I just got to do this small piece here and towards the back of the toilet. I'm going to wait till I get a day off work and I'm going to finish it. I ordered 2 more packs of tiles just in case I make any mistakes or something breaks or tears like when I'm doing them. So I got extras there. The only thing I'm going to hate to do is going around the toilet because our toilet curves weird. It goes straight, curves in, curves out, back in again. It's like a weird design at the bottom. So that's going to be a real pain in the arse to cut. Today I'm just doing basic house stuff like laundry, dishes, cooking, cleaning, all that stuff. As you can see, all this big mounds is all the clean laundry I gotta fold and put away. It's all just big mounds on my thing. I just dumped it from the basket. So this is all clean laundry. I gotta put that all away. I got more in the washer and dryer downstairs. I just finished cooking us dinner. I'll be cooking supper after. Like I said, just normal everyday household chores today. So I got to get this done. Probably when I get a couple of days off together again, I'm going to finish that bathroom floor and I'll show you guys the end results when it's done. While I'm folding and putting away this laundry, my hubby is outdoors scooping right now the driveway. He did most of it this morning when we got home from work, but he said he's going to finish off the rest of it there now. We got a lot of snowfall. There's my car. It's like a marshmallow. But you can see though where he was pushing up the embankment. We had a lot of snowfall and there he is. He's out there scooping. He says just getting the last bit of it. Now I'm figuring the plow probably came by and put like a small mountain in the end of our driveway, more than likely. As you can see, look at the snow up on the top of the roof there. See where this gap is? That was a big overhang of snow. He knocked it down yesterday before it ended up falling on someone's head. The front of our house is like that too. There's a big hangover over our porch.